Do you have ugly outlets that you want to improve? Hey, I get it. You don't want to do any electrical work. You don't want to turn off the power. What if I give you 4 easy options to upgrade your electrical outlets that don't involve any wiring at all? And stick around to the end. I'm going to show you a bonus tip. Okay, for all of these transformations, we are actually going to leave the power on. No wiring involved. I'm going to show you how easy this is. So this is a typical old dingy outlet. Simply remove the cover plate and buy a heavy duty insulated outlet. So this one has the insulation jacket in the back that will make sure your exterior outlets won't be cold or warm to the touch if it's on an exterior wall. So what you're doing here is you're transforming the look of an outlet with a new outlet cover. It's heavier duty, it's a better look, and it has that insulating jacket behind it. So when you're on an exterior wall outlet, your home will stay warmer and cooler. Okay, say you have the old dingy outlets, these yellow outlets, ivory, whatever you want to call them, they're certainly not attractive. I could see why you would want that replaced. How about step up to the Decora style outlet? So in case you don't know, these duplex outlets are traditional, but they're kind of ugly. You can upgrade to Decora outlet covers without changing the outlet itself. So the magic of this one is it's actually going to cover the old ugly yellow outlet if you have that style. And again, for easy transformation, we're keeping the power on. All of these methods I'm showing you don't involve any electrical knowledge or wiring whatsoever. So look at that beautiful appearance of a brand new outlet without any wiring whatsoever. You can do this. Okay, there's a third option. How about upgrading to a smart device? Now check this out. All these links will be in the video descriptions below for all of these products. This smart device has a built-in surge protector. It has a USB-A and a USB-C for ease of use, and you have 3 outlets. And there's actually one other feature. These outlet covers, did you see that? They actually twist. So you can turn them for child protection. You can lock out the outlets, or when you're ready to use them, you can twist it and you're back in business. So simply keep the cover plate on, keep the electrical on, literally just plug it right in. Could not be any easier. It does an effective job of hiding the old ugly outlets, giving you surge protection, 2 different USB ports, and 3 child protective outlets. An amazing product, so easy to use. Anybody can put this one in. Okay, you've made it to option 4. I'm considering this one the bonus tip because it's pretty sneaky. It's from a company called Snap Power. It's going to have a night light at the bottom, and it actually turns on automatically when it's dark, so it's a smart light. How are you going to do this without rewiring the outlet? Check this out. When you look at the product and you turn it over, there's a secret in the back. These 2 prongs, spring-loaded prongs, they're conductive, they're metal on the inside. What's going to happen when we put this new outlet cover in, it's going to have an energized circuit down here that will turn on the sensor. As soon as it gets dark enough, the LED lights will turn on in the bottom and you'll have an awesome transformation. So this would be a great application in a hallway, a bathroom, a bedroom, something like that where you may want to have a lighted outlet in the evening. Now remember, for ease of use, and I promised you in this video, no rewiring necessary, we have the power on. Now the manufacturer does recommend you turn the power off when you're snapping this in place, but you know manufacturers, all they care about is liability and safety. We're going to work with a hot outlet. Now you do have to have flat screws on the side of the outlet. So if they're sticking out, then you would have to turn off the power and screw those back in. Okay, so you center that and you're simply going to screw it back in. So with those 2 prongs, and we've screwed this in snugly, we've completed the circuit. And when the sensor tells the LED to turn on, it will turn on. Let's go ahead and test it out. So here, during the day with a bright light on, no LED, and then when it gets dark, it automatically comes on. So you have an awesome lighted outlet to light your path. I hope you enjoyed these products. 4 different transformations, no wiring or electrical education needed. Hey, I know you can do this yourself.